Good morning. My name is Justin Bryant. I'm here to discuss Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. I'm now here at Baker Enrolled, and what I want to discuss that I thought was intriguing was the topic of what do your employers want from you as far as communication. I'm currently in a business role as a supervisor, and we have daily performance dialogue meetings that are approximately 10 to 15 minutes with a clear agenda that it makes complete sense, this topic to me, because for one, you have to know your audience, and there's things that I've learned from this chapter that will help me as a presenter, also as a supervisor, and I like to go through some of those. First thing is, you have to be very clear and concise and very short with your messages and stick to factual information. If you're speaking about the facts, you don't get sidetracked, and you get to the point. And it's very important when you're communicating with a group of people on what the expectations are. I'll give an example. During performance dialogues, we have a very structured format, and that way everybody knows the expectations of each segment. We also have a time for recognition and also a time for everybody to communicate and everybody listens. And I think one of the segments of this chapter was about how it's important to be a good listener as well. So another topic would be emails communication. I thought that was very value added information, because a lot of times you can read emails and you're like, why did I even read that? Because it didn't even have any of the content or the resolution to the issue or what caused it, and it's just kind of a junk email. So emails, it's very important to have the outline, the structure that was provided in this segment. As far as business communication, the emails are very important when it comes to doing investigations, dealing with product or manufacturing is what I'm in. You have to be very concise again, about factual information, and stick to what's important and not get sidetracked. And so I think that outline structure is very important and very educational for people that are just starting up, and writing the time and date, um, and knowing exactly what happened and making it factual information again is very important. So I will definitely keep that in mind. Other things too is when you are communicating between people, it's good to be respectful. And the reason why I'm bringing that up is because it hit on that several times throughout this chapter, chapter 1 and chapter 2, having respect for others when you're communicating within the team. I have a group of 20 people. So in our performance daily dialogues that we have, we are very respectful to one another, and also on the floor, on the manufacturing floor. So those are my thoughts on this chapter, and I appreciate you when you give me some replies on how I did. Thank you.